warm welcome to everyone and Namaste. Today we will be discussing the concluding part of this topic, getting eyes to see God or getting the eyes to see God. Now, in the last session, we discussed there are many ways to get knowledge, and among all of them, the most basic or the most important three ways of gaining knowledge are, I hope you remember. What are the three ways of gaining knowledge? Number one, Pratyaksha Praman, meaning direct sense perception. So, we try to get the knowledge directly through our senses. That is called Pratyaksha Praman, Pratyaksha Praman. And the second way to get knowledge is Anumana Praman. I said it is a guesswork or theories based on evidences or inference. And the third, the most important way is Shabda Praman, that is hearing from the bona fide authority. Now, I have a very interesting experiment for all of you to make this subject more simple and more clear. And the experiment is this. Now, all of you have to get knowledge about me. You have to know me. You should get absolute perfect knowledge about me. And I have questions to ask. So now, you have to get the knowledge about me. And what are those things? I'll ask you a few questions. Number one, what is my favorite food? Number two, which is my favorite song? Number three, what is my mobile number? And number four, what is my full complete address? So wherever you are, from there, can you get knowledge about me? Yes, there are different ways as I discussed. Now you have to know about me perfectly. And all these questions, whatever I asked, and there are three ways. Now let us try to understand by these three ways, can we get perfect knowledge about myself? So now, let us take the Pratyaksha Praman. So by looking at me, I think all of you are looking at me. So by looking at me, can you tell what is my favorite food? By looking at me, can you tell which is my favorite song? By looking at me, can you tell my mobile number? By looking at me, can you tell my complete address? This Pratyaksha Praman, by Pratyaksha, by looking directly through your senses, either through eyes, ears, nose, you can hear me, you can smell me. By doing all these things, by gaining knowledge from the knowledge acquiring senses, Gnanendriyas, can you answer all these questions? Is my question. So from Pratyaksha Praman, by looking at me, can you tell my favorite food? You can do the guesswork, that is the next way of gaining knowledge. But in the Pratyaksha Praman, just by looking at me, can you get complete knowledge about me? Is the question. Yes, you are right, it is impossible. Or to some extent you may be right, but you may not get the complete knowledge by Pratyaksha Praman. Now we will go to the second way of gaining knowledge, that is Anumana Praman. So now you have opportunity to look at me and also you can do guesswork. So now look at me and you can do some guesswork, some inference by looking at my color, by looking at my skin texture. You can definitely arrive at some conclusion, but again may not be complete and perfect. So now by guesswork, can you guess what is my favorite food? Can you guess which is my favorite song? Can you guess what is my mobile number? Can you guess what is my full address? Yes. If I take opinion of 1 lakh people, some of you may be right, but may not be perfect. So for some questions, you may get answer. Like for example, you may guess what is my favorite food. So if 1000 people have 1000 guesses, definitely some guesswork will arrive at right answer, but it may not be complete and perfect. So by guesswork, by looking at me, you can tell my favorite song, you can guess my mobile number, but definitely 10-digit number, you cannot so easily arrive at the conclusion. And house address, yes, by looking at me, you can say he is an Indian, then he may be South Indian, then he may be part of Karnataka or something like that. So by guesswork, you can arrive at some conclusion, but the point is, may not be perfect. That is the point. Now the simple question to all of you, if you want to know about me completely, what is the best way? You are right. Ask me. If you want to know about anybody, just go and ask, sir, please tell me what is your full name. Please tell me which is your favorite food. And he will say, and which is your favorite song? What is your mobile number? And he will say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Done. And what is your full address? And he will say, finish. So the point here is the complete knowledge we can get from this particular option or this particular way of learning. And what is that? That is Shabda Praman. So when we hear from the authority, then it becomes easy. That is the point. So by Pratyaksha, Anumana, so is that these two ways are invalid? No, it is not invalid. By Pratyaksha and Anumana also we get knowledge, but from Shabda we get the perfect knowledge. So now let us come back to the main topic for discussion. What is the main topic for discussion? Can I see God? If I want to know God, if I want perfect knowledge about God, now with this analogy, with this experiment, let us connect it to get the absolute knowledge about God. So now we want to know the perfect knowledge about God. Does Pratyaksha Pramana help? So an insignificant person like me, you cannot get a perfect knowledge through Pratyaksha Praman. And through Anumana Praman also, you cannot, from Anumana Praman also, you cannot get perfect knowledge about me, who is an insignificant person in this world. And by Shabda, you can get some knowledge. So similarly, what about the God, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Akhilanda Koti Brahmanda Nayak? And about that great personality, the creator, the lawmaker, how we can try to understand him through our blunt material senses. That is Pratyaksha Praman. And what about Anumana Praman? It's quite interesting. There are so many people speak so many things about God. And whenever I talk with people, they ask so many questions. Some people say, what is God? Who is God? God is some light. Interesting. I say, I accept it. God is light. Which light? Is it halogen light or a tube light or which light? And some people say, God is love. Amazing. So then I ask, which love? A love what mother has for the child, or a love between a boy and a girl, or a love between the country and a citizen? Which love is God? So people, they do not have a perfect knowledge, but they try to guess something and try to worship that personality. So from Shabda Pramana, we get perfect knowledge is the point. So now to get knowledge about God, we need Shabda Praman. So as I said in our experiment, it becomes very easy when we hear from the person. So you want to know about me, just ask me your questions, and whatever I answer, you can easily believe it, and it will be a perfect knowledge. Now all of us, we have a challenge. What is the challenge? We understood, we accepted that yes, Shabda Pramana is the perfect way of getting knowledge. And now the question is, I want to ask God these questions. Dear God, what is your favorite food? Dear God, what is your mobile number? What is your address? I want to ask. But the point is, where is God? Getting my point? I want to know about God. I know the perfect way of getting knowledge about God is Shabda Praman. But the point here is to ask these questions. Where is God? God is not visible. God is not there in front of me. So what should I do? Can I see God? Yes. Can I see God? Yes, I can see God in 3 ways. So this session will give you an eye-opening understanding about how we can see God. Are you ready? Let's explore. So there are 3 ways to see God. And the first among them is Shabda Praman. Just now I discussed about it. So through Shabda, meaning we can see God through our ears, not just through our eyes, through our ears. Now all of you are confused? What is this person speaking about? Generally we see through our eyes, right? How can we see through ears? Ears are meant to hear, not to see. Yes, you are right, but the scriptures gives amazing understanding about this concept. So I'll make it easier to understand with a small analogy. There is a blind person. In his life, he has never seen anything. Let us take a break and come back.